Today we're watching. Squawk on your own time. Today we're gonna watch.
Yarr. Nice try. Today we be. Yeah. So today we're gonna watch. We're gonna watch the
We're watching The Monkey. You're watching it with me. Pass it on. What the fuck? A lot of times, these and I know this one isn't an A24, but a lot of these smaller productions feel like they ought to be like a Twilight Zone episode or something. And I thought that going in. Not so much. This is great. If you're thinking about watching it, I think you probably should. 9 out of 10.